Hey everybody, Mike Higley with Berkshire Pontoons here. We're on board the 2021 Berkshire SB2, one of our most popular models. We've got a couple really neat upgrades this year. We've got the Smoke True Touch vinyl in the deluxe option package that's on this boat, new standard flooring, our new smoke weave. We've got a brand new helm stand, new design, features wireless charging, features a Wet Sounds head unit. We've got a full rear-facing lounger here. If you'd like a few more people, we can turn this into a pit group. From there, if you still have a few more people on board you'd like, we can step back here, take this unit to forward and rear facing loungers. The great part about our unit also is the back end is fully certified to be able to be here under power. That's a big plus on what a lot of the rest of the industry does. If you'd like some more information on this unit, go to www.berkshirepontoon.com and check out our new website.